Greetings. In this quick video, I want to help you troubleshoot a Bissell carpet cleaner where it's no longer spraying, and it doesn't matter if you have an upright one that does regular carpets or a portable one like this. So this is a pretty common problem where Bissell carpet cleaners no longer spray, but can be a pretty easy fix. And usually the nozzle is going to look like something like this. First thing you want to do is go ahead and push the button here. That will expose the inside like this. And make sure that it's not clogged up in any way. Some of the Bissell handles like this actually have a control button where it disengages the little trigger. So make sure that there's not a button here that's jamming it up or that it's turning it off. Next thing you want to do is look at your actual cleaning reservoir. That looks like this. Now, most of the modern day Bissells has the formula and water in the same container. Some have a separate, the older ones have a separate reservoir that you can take out. Go ahead and take that out and make sure that you have plenty of water in your tank. So what happens is you want gravity to do the action. So if you got just a very little bit, there's not enough gravity of the water in order for it to come out and spray. So go ahead and fill it back up, or at least halfway full. That should fix a lot of the solutions. Now, you want to examine the cap here, because this is where the water comes out, and then it ends up going into the spray handle. So if we look right here, make sure you're examining this portion here real carefully and this portion. Now, some Bissells actually have a little filter that's on this side. Look for a filter and take it out and clean it. All right, and make sure that there's nothing that's impeding the formula going through here. What you can do is get like a little toothpick or a Q-tip like this and clean around it on the inside and the out. All right, and same thing with this one. Go ahead and remove this portion right here and make sure that there's nothing impeding the formula coming through. You can get parts very inexpensively at Bissell, and just make sure that there's nothing impeding with this. Take a really good look at that part right there. All right, next, after you do that, what I want you to do is examine the hose really carefully. So sometimes the hose will get impeded, or this part that comes inside here gets impeded right in here. So you can take like a little Q-tip or a toothpick and go through here and make sure that that's not being impeded. Sometimes, if you haven't used your machine in a while, you have to prime it. So let's say if I turned it on, you'll make sure you keep clicking this. Go ahead and click it 30, 40 times. And that's going to prime it. And go ahead and unloosen your whole hose to where it's not, there might be a kink in the hose. So make sure it's straight, and then actually lead it away from the machine and then start priming it, where you just click it on like that. Like that. Now there's another filter on a lot of them, which is on the dirty water container right here. Make sure that this is cleaned out like you're supposed to. All right. So with the hose, go ahead and remove your handle. I'll go ahead and put a link in the comment section where you can buy these. These are very universal with Bissells. The handles, the little spray handles. This will work with the upright ones where it'll clean like the bigger carpets, or the portable ones as well. I'll put a link to where you can get this. So with the hose here, look and see if there's any obstruction in the hose. You can first try to get like a clothesline hanger and put it in, or another hanger, or you can just go to your Home Depot or Ace Hardware and get you one of these toilet snakes like this. And then what you can do is go all the way down in it, just like you would do a toilet. Yeah, I might actually have to get one with a little smaller end here, but you want to go all the way through, and then you twist, and then see if that will unclog it. And you want to do that while it's unplugged. All right, let me know in the comments section what model that you have. Do you have one like this? Do you have a big green machine, Bissell? Let me know in the comment section what model that you have. And again, I'll put a link in the comment section where you can buy one of these for your Bissell carpet cleaners. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.